Hello accounting engineers, I'm Ashikur Rahman from Accounting Syllabuses. Welcome to my channel where I upload accounting tutorials weekly only for you. Today our topic is markup. Here we have 4 questions. I will show you how to calculate markup from different types of information. So no time to waste. Let's get started. Okay, here have a look at the question. What is written? From the following information, calculate the percentage of markup. So here we have in the first question, cost of sales $205,000 and gross profit $92,250. Okay, so what is the formula to calculate markup? Okay, so let us write here. Number 1 we'll do first. So we know markup equal to gross profit divided by cost of sales. Cost of sales also called cost of goods sold. Okay, times 100. Okay, so in this question we have cost of sales $205,000. Okay, we have here gross profit $92,250. Okay, then if we multiply by 100, then after calculation we get 45%. Yeah, this is very simple when you have these items clearly in the question. But have a look at number 2. Here sales is given and cost of sales is given, but there is no gross profit. So to calculate the markup we need gross profit. Yeah, so let us do it. Okay, number 2 is here. Same, let us write here. Markup equal to gross profit divided by cost of sales times here 100. Okay, in this question we have only cost of sales, which is $196,000, but there is no gross profit. Okay, so how to calculate gross profit? Very simple. We know gross profit equal to we have here sales, so let us write here sales minus cost of sales. Okay, so what is your sales value? It is number 2, it is $304,000. okay, minus cost of sales is $196,000. so if we subtract we get $108,000. okay, this is our gross profit. Okay, so now we have cost of sales in the question, we have here gross profit. So if you put the value here in this markup formula, we can calculate our markup. Okay, so let us write here in the formula. So our gross profit is calculated $108,000. okay, our cost of sales already we have in the question $196,000. now multiply by 100 we get 55%. okay, so it's simple. Yeah, but you have to know how to calculate here gross profit. Okay, number 3, here we have the value of sales, which is $210,000. we have here gross profit. What is not there? Cost of sales. Yeah, okay, so here we need to calculate cost of sales to get the value of markup. Okay, so let us write here number 3, markup equal to, again same thing, let us write the formula here, gross profit divided by cost of sales, yeah, times 100. Okay, so here we do not have cost of sales, we have here gross profit. So we need to calculate here cost of sales. Okay, so how to calculate cost of sales here? We know cost of sales equal to, so here we have sales, let us write here sales minus gross profit gross profit. Okay, so what is our value of sales? It is $210,000 minus we have here gross profit, which is $98,000. Okay, so if we subtract, we get $112,000. Okay, this is our value of cost of sales. Okay, so now let us put the value here in the formula. So here our gross profit was in the question $98,000. Okay, so our cost of sales here we calculated $112,000 multiplied by 100. Okay, so if we calculate, we get here 87%. Okay, this is the markup, very high figure. Okay, so first three questions are done. So you see, different times you will get different types of information in the question. Who knows what will come in exam? So you should know all the way to calculate markup. Okay, so here number 4, it is kind of different. Okay, different from this other three. So here we have gross profit, here we have opening inventory, closing inventory, then purchase. Yeah, so here we have gross profit, but we need cost of sales. Okay, so let us write the formula first of all here. Number 4, markup equal to same formula, gross profit divided by cost of sales times here 100. Okay, now we need to calculate our cost of sales. How to calculate? Any idea? Okay, so we know here cost of sales equal to opening inventory plus purchase minus closing inventory. Okay, so here if we have more items like purchase return, carriage inwards, then what to do? So it will be here opening inventory plus purchase plus carriage inward minus goods for own use or drawings minus purchase return minus closing inventory. Okay, so we'll use this formula to extract the value of cost of sales. Okay, so here now if we put the value, so what is our opening inventory? It is $120,000. Okay, plus our purchase is here $225,000. Okay, then minus our closing inventory. What is this? It is $140,000. Okay, so now if we add these two values, then if we subtract this $140,000, so here we get $205,000. So we calculated our cost of sales here. Okay, so see, this is very simple, but you need to know the formula. Okay, now let us put the value here in this formula, markup formula. Already we had gross profit, which is 97,250. Okay, now we calculated our cost of sales, which is $205,000. Okay, let us write here $205,000 multiplied by 100. So if we calculate, what we get? It is 47%. Okay, so very simple. And you know, this topic is from analysis and interpretation chapter, which is very important chapter in accounting syllabus. So you should know how to calculate markup. So I told you that different times you will get different types of information in the question, but if you know all this, it will be very useful for you to answer this type of question in exam. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this lesson and you understood. Please consider subscribing to my channel, because there you'll find a lot of videos which will help you to understand and to learn accounting. And if you think that this video is helpful for you, please share with your friends. And I'll see you soon with new video. Until then, bye bye and take care.